guys, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna do a little bit of a day in the life, and then I'm also gonna do a small craft with Ava that's super easy and super cute. She adored it. So before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Angela, and I do a mix of videos between mummy and lifestyle. I have a little girl named Ava who's 3. I have a husband named Merrick and a dog named Buster Brown. So let's jump on into the video. It's literally going to take 5 minutes, and it utilizes stuff that we have around the house. So we got our Crayola construction paper, and I just used a plain white piece. We got some Crayola paint. You're gonna need yellow and orange paint. We got some glue and some plastic forks. And then we also have, what are these? Eyes. We got some googly eyes as well. So today we're going to make a chicken. Are we gonna make a chicken? What does a chicken do? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay. Yeah, so can you take a fork? And then mommy's gonna take a fork. And then all you're gonna do is we're going to press our fork in the paint. So do what mommy does. Press your fork in the paint. Press. Good girl. Boop. And then we're gonna press our fork on the paper. Yeah. And the spokes of the fork are going to make the feathers. All right, Ava, here we go. Keep pressing. Make the feathers for our chicken. Okay, so you definitely don't need this much paint. I might have put a bit too much on. That's okay. Ready? Can you do the chicken wings? Oh, Ava, that's really good. Oh, she's doing way better than I am. Ava, that's really good. Okay, ready? So we gotta do all the chicken feathers.
Mom.
Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, baby girl.
I want a paintbrush. I like a paintbrush.
Want to use a paintbrush? Okay, cool. Okay, mommy's gonna keep doing the feathers of the chicken.
Mommy, here you go, Mom. See you.
Oh, thank you. You keep doing the feathers. Bark, bark.
Mommy.
Yeah, babes.
Oh, sorry.
You got some paint on ya?
Mom.
Yeah.
Mommy, just tomorrow.
We will after. Keep doing the feathers of the chicken. So all you do is you take your fork, you press it on the paper, boop, and you lift it up. And you don't want too much paint, but you gotta lift up the fork right away. Boop, boop. It's actually quite cute. Good job. Boop, boop. What color is this, Ava?
Yellow.
Yellow! Is yellow Ava's favorite color? Boop, boop. Ava, you're doing so well. This is awesome. Mommy doesn't even need to do this. Hey, Ava, what other animals do you like?
Yay. Chicken.
You like chickens? Do you like cows?
Uh-huh.
What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a piggy say?
I'm going.
Doot, doot, doot.
Dad, I'm painting.
Good job,
I'm
kiddo.
painting my skirt.
Okay, so
So,
once we have, do you think we have enough feathers? Yeah, I do too. Okay, so put your fork down. So once you're done, the feathers will look like this. So next we're going to take the googly eyes. Okay, so Mom's gonna put some glue on the eyes and then you can put them on. Ready? So you put some glue on the eye. Ready? You put this on. Where do you want the eye to go? Oh! Wipes! Boop. Okay, where do you want the eye to go?
right here.
Do you want to put it on?
Mhm.
Okay, ready? 2 hands. There you go. Yeah. Oh, is that where the eyeball is going? Okay. So we're doing this upside down. Doot, 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 doot. Should I do the other one? Doot. Okay. Now, Mommy is gonna take a little bit of, what color is this?
Orange!
Orange! Okay, so we're just gonna take, we just need a little bit, just a tiny bit. And then we're gonna take a small paintbrush and we're gonna paint a beak. Doot, doot.
My try.
Yeah, you can try. Here, paint the beak. Doot, doot.
Mommy.
Awesome! Anna, look at him! Is that funny?
Daddy, make it laugh. Daddy, funny. Daddy, funny.
So we made a chicken. Ava, what should we call our chicken?
Make
What's his name?
face.
His name's Face. All right, super cute, easy craft to do
Make
together.
happy face.
Oh, you want to make a happy face? Okay. And then she can do whatever she wants. If you're new to our channel, my name is Angela and this is Ava. She's my little girl and she's 3. Please click the like and subscribe button down below. And please click the like and subscribe button and comment down below what crafts you guys are doing together. Hold up your chicken. Should we turn him around? Here, you hold him up. Say, here's my chicken.